Rella's looking for something here in the grocery. Ano yung hinahanap mo? Po?
And this is not a chocolate, you see.
No.
No. I'm just gonna find it. Come on, guys. Come in. Let me hold the camera. Okay, now.
Careful, baka makabasag tayo. She's looking for... Oh, you already got it na.
This one is big. So mahal. Wow.
Ang mahal-mahal naman niya. Kalo.
Yung malaki, yan yung malaki. Ito yung maliit.
I'll not buy that.
Oh my. Oh my God.
Kaya mo naman to na chichirya na to.
Try this.
Akala ko naman mumurahin lang.
Can you try the Dr. Pepper soda?
What's that?
I don't know what's this. What this is? Soda Dr. Pepper. I don't know what this is. And then there's pure sugar. Pure sugar. Let's try the
Rela, I don't like
let's have a mukbang of American food. Okay, come on. Let's wait.
Find me equal. Dali. The equal sugar that I'm using. Find it na.
Oh, let's use this. I like this. I like matcha. I like matcha, guys.
What?
I'll never doubt on matcha.
What?
I like matcha. I'll never doubt on matcha. I have a pineapple pen.
Baka so expensive naman yan.
Apple pie, apple pen.
Parang naiintindihan mo yun.
Pen.
I'm looking for the equal sugar.
Pen, pineapple, apple pen. Pen, pineapple, apple pen. Okay, so let's buy this something.
No.
Okay.
Meron ka na?
This. I'll get these.
I don't like that.
That's Reese's. Okay, that's the name of this. So let's try this. Okay. Where is my favorite drink? My
Favorite,
Is it big?
yung malaki na kunin mo. This one, the big one. Orange, ano yan? Ayan. Ito yung hinahanap namin. So, chocolate siya ni Mr. Beast. Ayan, okay na yan. Now, we can taste one.
Hinahanap ko to eh.
Ano?
Dati nandun yun na hinahanap ko dito. 95, ang galing, mura.
Anong mura? Kaloka ka, anong mura? Yeah, we'll taste that later. Come on here.
Diba? Tapos pag nasarapan tayo, bili tayo ng madami.
Not all. Masama yung sweet. Masama rin naman yung masyadong maraming sweet.
Okay, I found the sugar.
I'll say bye-bye na. Thank you for watching. Sabihin mo, you found what you're looking for.
My vegetables.
What?
I found my vegetables. Bye. Hi guys, today we got Mr. Beast Feastables chocolate, and Mr. Beast is my favorite content creator. He helps people like helping the blindness see, like that. So let's taste his chocolate. So
Actually, si Mr. Beast favorite naming content creator yon. So, ayan. Kada manonood kami sa YouTube ng mga content niya. At the end of his video, pinopromote niya to itong Feastable chocolate. So, nakita na namin siya dito sa marketplace. Sa Opus mo.
oh my, ay may sign pa talaga siya sabi. Feastables, Mr. Beast. Look ha?
Wow, looks yummy. Para sang Nestle Crunch.
Okay, so let's gonna put that back.
You try na yan. You try it na.
I'll put this back. Okay. It says Feastables. Feastables and later to say
Tagal niya tumigil. Tikman mo na. So you will know the taste. Can I have the one black?
chocolate! Just invite a little titibit natin.
Bite a little lang daw. Ako bumili nito.
Okay na.
Ay, sorry. Sarap nga.
There's cookies and cream, peanut butter, dark chocolate, strawberry.
Masarap nga. We'll buy it next time again, okay?
Often.
Bye, yummy.
Bye.